In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix product not showing on Shopify. Let's get started. So in here, if you have a product that is not showing for Shopify, then what you can do is to make sure that you have a product that is actually active. So for example, let's first add in here a product that we can actually put. So for example, let's first add in this one. So in here, I will make in here shorts the t-shirt, and you can also add in here a media of what that will look like. And you can also add in the price for the t-shirt and the cost for that. And in here, you can see the margin, you can track the quantity, and you can see also if this is a physical product or a digital product. You can add variants right here. But the most important thing that you need to consider is to make sure that the status is active right here. That way, if your product is actually available, that means it will actually show if it is active. So you can also put in here the product category as well as the product type and all these things right here. So let's just try to save that and let's see what this will look like right here. So in here, we have here the title for that as well. So let's put that and save that right. And then once you have saved that, it will appear in here just like this. So let's head back, and as you can see, the status is active. So for example, if your status right here is draft, it will not show on your product page. Now let's head over and go back. Let's leave this page. Let's not save that. Make sure that it is active, and then make sure also that they have in stock. Because if it is not in stock, it will not sell or it will not be available on your actual page. So make sure that you have put in here an inventory right here wherein you can track the quantity. So for example, let's put in here available quantity by 100 and save that. And then from that, just head over and then make sure that it is actually updated. So let's head back again. And then as you can see right now, there's 100 in stock. So when you head over in here on your online store, and then in here on your themes, you need to also make sure that it will also look that way on your store. So let's first click on this view your store right here. And then in here, you can see all the products that you have, which is this one. As you can see, since this is actually active and this has some actual product, then as you can see, it will appear on our featured product right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.